Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a debit card as a new payment method on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to have your debit card to be the new payout method for your eBay account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop into the eBay app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on selling. Then afterwards, you want to click on your total funds equals $4.18. And then on this page here, you want to click on payout schedule daily. And then you want to click on payout method. And then this is where you're going to click on add payment method next to the plus icon. So click on that. So now you can choose between connecting a bank account or a debit card. Click on debit card and then follow the on-screen prompts. Now keep in mind that you'll get your funds within 30 minutes if you choose your debit card as a payment method, and that your first 3 payouts are free until May 18th, and then each payout will have a $2 fee. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect the debit card as a payment method on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.